One thing that causes a lot of grief when you travel is the toiletry and beauty kit, right? If you're trying to travel carry-on only, you only have one quart-sized bag worth of space for all of your liquids, and that's everything. That's shampoo, conditioner, face wash, mouthwash, sunscreen, and makeup. Everything, a one quart-sized bag. If you have a complicated skincare routine or you use a lot of hair care products, that can quickly and easily add bulk and weight to your packing. And let's not forget about the dreaded liquid leaks in your luggage. If you have ever experienced the shock and horror of opening up your bag at your destination to discover that everything is now covered in your favorite face wash, you'll know exactly why this factor is so important. So today we're going to address these issues and come up with some creative ways to downsize and minimize your toiletry and beauty kit. And we're going to remove as many liquids as possible in the process. So come on now, let's start packing a smarter toiletry and beauty kit now.